Hey guys, just a quick video to show you imbalance in a candle. This is a 15-minute candle here on EuroCard, which I'm watching this week. You can see here that there's some imbalance where I've got this green rectangle here. I've got this green rectangle, and you can see as the candle is coming down, it is mitigating this imbalance in the candle. So when the candle is moved up fast, what has actually happened is some of these orders haven't been filled. So what is happening is the banks are now selling in order to buy. Okay, the bought here, so they need to sell to come down and balance this up. And as we watch, we can see the zeros ticking off here. And when it gets down to this point here, hopefully it will bounce and go back up. Right, or it could continue down and fill this up. Though, in my opinion, this imbalance has been taken up. This is from this wick here. So this candle here has took this up. It's just where I've gone from point to point. But I just wanted to show you what's happening here. We can see here as this wick's down, as this candle comes down into here, how it takes up these outstanding orders that's in there. So we'll just keep an eye on this and see what happens for the next 5 minutes or so. So for those of you who don't understand about imbalance, is the market must always balance up at some point. It can't be left unbalanced. It's against the rules, the financial regulations of the market. There must always be balance. There must always be buyers and sellers. So what's happening here is there's some buy orders in here or sell orders. When this has gone up, I haven't been able to fill them because it's moved up fast. So I haven't been able to get these orders balanced up. So what's happening now is the market, the price is coming back down to try and balance this up. It doesn't happen normally straight away. It just depends on how fast the candle's moved up. It can be a gradual process or it can go up fast. And the saying is, if it's fast, it doesn't last. So I'm just looking for this to come down and mitigate this imbalance here. You could, of course, trade this. There isn't much in this on this particular one. There's only a couple of pips in that imbalance, which is about $20 million. So we'll just see what happens here. What's happening here is price is actually being manipulated. It's getting buyers and sellers. It's getting retail traders to put orders into the market. Some of them are buying and some of them are selling, obviously. So we'll have this these periods of consolidation where the market moves up and down like that. The price goes up and down, and that is just to create liquidity at different points in the market where we have pending orders, maybe buy or sell stops, buy or sell limits. And of course, if you're putting a stop loss in on a trade, that is also an order, whether you put a buy in or a sell. If you put a buy order in, you obviously need to put a stop loss in, which is a sell. And then if you put a sell order in, you put a stop loss in, which is a buy. So all these orders are being created constantly by people trading the markets. This is just one currency pair. So this is why there's $6.6 trillion a day traded on this. But I'm just filling in a little bit of time here just to see what happens. What I may well do is I'm just going to pause the recording, and then we'll come back so we're not getting a little bit bored to tears. Okay, well, this is live as it's happening. As soon as it starts moving down again, I'll come back with the recording. But I just wanted you to see where the imbalance is. These zeros are where orders haven't been filled. Look, it's coming down there now. So we may just hang on and watch this watch these orders get filled as they come down. This is live as it's happening, and I'm just trying to give you an understanding of how this all works. There we go. I haven't paused it, so we'll just watch it. It is coming down, and where it says 96 times 0 and 100 times 0, as it comes down, you should start to see that 0 change. Cap on today, my head's cold. This price drops now. It's starting to mitigate that balance, that imbalance. It's come down. These should be changing. We'll just be waiting for orders to come into the market. There you go. It's come down now. Just refresh that so we can get a look at what's going on here. Now, if these orders don't get filled, where we've got these zeros, if this doesn't get filled, what will be happening is, as this comes down, whoever's put these orders in could well be coming down to break even. So there could be a drawdown here as well with these orders. And what they're doing is they're just coming down and they're breaking even, and they could well be closing these orders out. What I'll do is I'll just click on here, remove that, and we'll just redraw this just to make sure. From here to here, and we just put show the values. Okay, yeah. And what's happening is it looks like they've actually cancelled them orders off. They broke even with these orders. So that's what's happened there. So you can see here where it's come down price, it's wicked into this block what I've drawn previously before the price come down. there is some down here, but I do believe that these have been mitigated. Oh, I didn't mean to move that. I'll just zoom out there because that is Monday's high. Which is that there. What's that? 45024. Put that back on. Really, I should lock them so they can't be moved. Well, we can see there now that because that's fast moving, this is now moving down. I'm just going to take this off now. Delete that off. That's been mitigated. It could well come down and take that out as well. But it looks like it's doing what it's supposed to do. So as regards getting back to my previous video, what's happening here, where it's broke the high of the Asian range, the Asian market, and we've had manipulation here, making us think that the market's going to go up. It's gone up probably as far as it's going to go. And the market is now started turning, and I do believe this is going to come down, and it's going to break this Asian range of the low. I do believe it will take the imbalance out. I've highlighted it here. And it may well break this low from Monday, which is currently the low of the week. So we'll just see how this pans out, right? But that's enough from me now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe to the channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would be greatly appreciated. I will be posting these videos as and when things happen. So thanks very much, and I'll see you all later.